Hey everybody, it's Pam, and I have a new door hanger for you. I'm hoping tomorrow, because we're supposed to have bad weather tomorrow, so I'm just gonna be hanging out at the house. I'm gonna be getting a lot of these door hangers listed, so I will post and let y'all know as soon as they are. So if anybody is interested in making their own door hangers, the pieces to be able to do that will be available. Today's project is a Patriotic door hanger. Now, I'm using a round that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's in their spring section, and it's like 18.9, I think. It's a little bit bigger than an 18-inch, but I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I've sized the pieces to fit on this round. But if you want something smaller, for a smaller round you might have, just let me know and I will make sure I can resize it. So it's not that big of a deal. It's very easy to do. And just let me know. Either send me a private message on Etsy, or you can put it in the comments section if you need a different size. Now, I can't go bigger than 18 inches, but I can go smaller. So just let me know. But anyway, so this right here is, like I said, going to be Patriotic. The top is going to be stained. The bottom is red. The words are going to be white. And the words are going to sit into a piece, and that's going to be navy blue. And then what I'm going to do is make it kind of rustic looking, because the bow that I'm using is ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And it's really like a rustic Americana ribbon. So I don't want like bright white and bright stuff. I want it to look grungy to match the ribbon that I'm using. So I'm just using the stain and putting it on the white letters. And I do put it on the board itself as well. So just giving it that rustic vibe. I like Patriotic, the bright colors and the fun colors, but I also like the rustic. So I'll kind of go in between, and I like both. So, and you'll be able to do that as well. And I'm using a navy blue, but you can use that royal blue color, whatever colors you decorate with for your not St. Patrick's Day. Good gracious, I'm on the wrong holiday. For your Patriotic, the blue can be the navy blue. You can even do this red if you wanted to, and just do a white bottom. However you want to do it is completely fine. But for this one, I am using red on the bottom, stained it on top, and then I'm just using that stain to go around the edges to kind of grunge them and dirty them up. So now I am going to put my pieces together. And I'm not gluing anything down yet. I'm just putting my pieces to make sure everything is where I want them to be. Make sure my lines are all lined up and they're evenly spaced. And then I will get everything glued down. And once I do that, I will get working on the greenery and making the bow. Now, I do show a little bit of making the bow, but listen, I'm not an expert on bows like this. I've made 100 bows for wreaths and stuff, but for some reason, these little bows for these door hangers, I don't know. I think the more I do it, the better things will be, and the more practice I'll get. So just hang in there with me. I have a few styles of bows that I'm learning how to make for door hangers like this. So just stay tuned, be patient, and together we will get through this. But I'm learning, okay? I'm learning, and we will definitely get there. So these are my stars, and I accidentally pulled them apart. So they will come as one piece, not two pieces. But I wasn't paying attention, and when I went to go take it off the tape, I pulled a little too hard. So now I got my door hanger on there, and this is the ribbon, and you can see why I wanted it to be the rustic color. And this is the greenery, and I've put this greenery down, and then I've decided to add a little bit of white flowers with they're green and greenery with little teeny tiny white flowers on them. Sorry, I'm so tongue-tied tonight. And as you can see here, I am making my bow with my, I think this is called a bow dabra. I got it a long time ago at Michael's, but I think Hobby Lobby has them. You can get them anywhere. And now I'm zip tying it together, and I'm going to cut this little piece. I want to start making bows as well that have like tails all around, but we'll get to that, okay? I'm new to the door hanger business, and I'm going to learn as I go, okay? And now I'm just fluffing up my bow to make sure everything looks good, and then I'm going to staple it down. And that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you being here. And I hope this inspires you to make your own door hanger.